Right, so here is the admin login page for the result system. So you click on sign in. Okay, so here's dashboard showing a quick analysis of the students and teachers. So in the admin menu here we have admin manager, which will allow you to manage the school info like school logo, school address, school phone number, school stamp. Then the view school info, you can view it. The current term, to set the current term, this to set the current session, this is to add new session. So, and under manage students, you add new student, promote all students, promote selected students, demote students, view students, print students details. So attendance or view attendance, behavior analysis, that is your affective domain and the psychomotor. And class management, where you create classes or view classes. Subject management is where you add subject, view subjects, book subject registrations, everything related to subjects. And under the result management, we have the upload results for teachers to upload their results. If you upload the result, teacher can view what he or she uploaded, edit uploaded results, save resumption date, view resumption date. So save resumption date, view resumption date. That is for the admin. Publish result is the admin that publish results. View published results, generate broadsheet, export position and average. So then there is principal, then teacher. So uh, let me log in as a teacher, but before that, here's another picture here. This allows you, this is just an add-on feature. It allows you to easily generate the contact of parents based on the registration info. So maybe you need contact of all JSS1 parents now. And click on show contact. This you can easily copy the phone numbers. Maybe you want to use it for bulk SMS or whatever. And if it is for all the students, click on show contact. You have it right here. So and uh what again, let's okay, let me log in as a teacher. Okay, so use the teacher's dashboard. The current time is third term session. Then let's just go to the result management. Here now, the result management. Let's click on upload results. This teacher, you can see you don't have any active subject in this class. I'm yet to assign any subject to that teacher. So let me assign a subject. to the teachers and their classes. Select the teacher's name, select the subject, the class, and term. Then click on save. So successful. Now we can retry JSS1 get. So this will fetch all the subject assigned to that man in JSS1 class for that term. So now I click on this get. This get now will now show us all the students registered for that subject in JSS1. So we have 10 students registered for that subject. So let's quickly input their record. Meanwhile, you can input and maybe you input few and come back to input the rest later. Anytime you want to input again, you follow the same process, and whatever you inputted then will remain. So you can see now, so you can still continue. So it means teachers can input CAs ahead. Okay, I want to show you something now. Let's observe something. You can see. Okay, let me make use of this other one. You can see it will not submit because this school's configuration is 20-20-60. So it's expecting 60. Anything above 60 will not submit there. So this will help staff, teachers, to help them from mistakenly inputting a wrong number. Maybe someone wants to input 55 and mistakenly press that 5 3 times. So that is that. Now we can click on submit. That is the upload. Now we've uploaded, right? So we can view what we uploaded. You see, it's what the subject you are assigned to. That is what you can view. You can't view other teachers. So it now. So now let's it automatically calculate the total 11 plus 12 plus 56 and 13 plus 12 plus 56. So now let's go to the admin. So now the admin will now look at it. Okay, after viewing it, the admin check to confirm if the subjects in a particular class, all the subjects have been uploaded. So the admin will check and confirm okay, uploaded. Then if all other subjects have been uploaded, then the admin can come to publish, select the class, select the term, then click on publish. So once a result is published, if there's any issue again, the admin can easily come back here to delete the published results without affecting the input of the teachers. So it means the result will just be unpublished. Then the teacher can still do corrections. So that is that. Now let's look at a published result. Let's just look at published results of second term. Okay, so this is a published result of second term. So let's look at this. So you can see the template, a very nice template. So it calculates the first time cumulative, this is the total cumulative, the average, the grade, the remark. So you can see the CA is 20, CA2 also is 20, exam is 60. So and this system is capable of remarking. You can see there's no while explaining the process of uploading result, I did not explain that okay, this is where you are going to upload the student remark, like remark by the teacher or principal, nothing like that. The system will automatically tell you that okay, based on the student performance, to tell you it will give a remark based on the student performance. You can see this student is the second position in the class, and the remark is your outcome this time is excellent, keep it up. Mashini Olumide Daniel's end result with students average, it is a good performance and has the potential to be improved upon. His strength of mind and willpower are key factors to achieving this feat. So you can see that's really. Now let's look at a student with poor performance. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, this 72. Before that, let's look at this 65. Now you see, this is not an encouraging result, especially in the core subjects. He is an intelligent student who has great potential. He needs to work on staying focused in class and following the directions. It would be great to see some improvement in basic science and technology, English language, French, Yoruba. So you can see that Even the system will be able to know the gender, and based on the gender, they know the correct pronoun to use. So now let's look at that of the 72. Okay, look at this now. The outcome this time is very poor. Put my effort. It will be great to see some improvement in Christian religious studies, basic science and technology, business studies. So, like, and assuming this could fill the psychomotor and the affective domain based on the input as well, it will also give uh, remark on their, this cognitive domain is the academic performance. So behavioral aspects will also be commented. So that is basically that is that. And what again? So for the student aspects, the students, okay, let's go to the student aspects. Let's copy the student's ID to check his results. The student now with this student ID, I inputted the student password already. Let's click on sign in. So then we click on check results. So this feature here is uh, is a new feature we recently introduced to allow school input their bills for the next term or session. So instead of the manual method, you know, uh, traditionally the payment, that is the bill and the report, are things students go home with at the end of a term. So since the results has been incorporated to the data method, so we decide to add the payment aspect as well, such that you can input the payment for a particular class for the next term and the account number to pay to, things like that. So now let's look at results. I want to check result for this student. This is one second term. You input the pin and you click on check results. So you can see, so the student will be able to check the results and print. So why when the student try to check, I'll check one time. This is my second attempt, right? Okay, let me give it a try again. Touch, fourth, so fifth, card usage limit exceeded. So uh per scratch charge, basically 5 usage per scratch card per term. That is, when student buy a scratch card, the usage for the scratch card for it, like for that particular time, is 5 times. So once exceeded, the student will need to buy another scratch card if the student is yet to print the result of that term. So it means before the 5 limit is exceeded, the student is really expected to have downloaded the result or printed the result. So that is that about the student aspect. Thank you.